everybody, my name is Taylor and today this video is going to be all about preparing / get ready with me for my date night tonight. I currently look like a wreck and my hair is extremely dirty, so I have a baseball hat on and I'm going to be heading to the gym in about 5 or so minutes. I am just wearing a baseball hat from Adidas, but I got it from TJ Maxx, a loose tank top from Cotton On, and my Gymshark leggings. If you can't hear it in the background, I have laundry going right now because I've been piling it up all week, so I need to catch up on that. I kind of wanted to make this a part vlog, part get ready with me video because I love vlogs and I love watching get ready with me's, and you'll hopefully be able to see a glow up from me because I know that I look like a wreck right now. Basically, my plan for the day is I got up, I had my coffee, my breakfast, I'm going to head to the gym and do a shoulders and core workout, and then I'm going to head to the bank. I gotta grab some scratch tickets for someone's birthday. I might run a couple errands after I hit the gym and then make some lunch, or if I'm feeling it, I might go get a poke bowl. If you're interested in watching me glow up / get ready, just keep on watching. Okay, so I had my workout. I did shoulders and core as I said I was going to do. Then I drove to grab a poke bowl, a salmon poke bowl. Honestly, obsessed, and they're only like $10. So I'm gonna go home and eat that and do some computer work because I'm kind of behind on what I want to do, and then we will continue and get ready for the day. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to eat this. Oh, it looks so good. Basically, I get white rice, double salmon, I get edamame, avocado, I got some mushrooms, which I never usually get, carrots, and tempura flakes. Oh my gosh. And then I'm pretty sure the sauce is like a sriracha mayo and a wasabi aioli or something, but oh my gosh, I'm so excited and so hungry, so I'm gonna dive in. Okay, so I just got out of the shower and I look like a wet dog. So I took a shower, my hair's obviously still wet. I do not brush my hair right when I get out of the shower anymore because of so much breakage that it's caused. But I am just going to start my makeup and chit chat. So basically the reason why we're going to dinner is because we didn't get to have a Valentine's Day. I don't remember if I mentioned that or not, but we're going to this steakhouse that we're both really impressed by. We went last year for our anniversary and we really liked it, so we're doing it again. I feel like I did not get as much done as I wanted to today. By the time I'm done getting ready, he'll probably be here to pick me up and I won't have time to do the stuff that I wanted. Basically, I have a plan to make a website and a podcast, which is kind of a lot. I'm really excited because I've been wanting to build my own website for like ever, and I've played with like a bunch of different, what do you call it? Not like a domain. And at my internship, I use WordPress, but I think I'm most attracted to using Squarespace just because I feel like it's the most user-friendly, but we'll see if my mind changes once I actually start building it. The other thing that I had plans on doing, and I'm gonna do it, every time I set my mind to something, I am like either pushing it off and eventually follow through, but I mean 2020, I want to just push through and do it. I really want to start a podcast. Side note, I'm so mad at myself for not taking the time to self-tan last night. Recently, I have been really into podcasts and almost like preferring listening to a podcast while I'm in the car than listening to music, and I feel like I would really enjoy it. And also, like, podcasts are really big right now. I feel like it'd be a lot of fun just to have my friends on there, my mom, like just people. I think it would be a lot of fun, and I kind of want to focus it around like lifestyle, business, like marketing, my experiences, really anything. Like, I watched The Bachelor and there's so many times where I'm like, oh my gosh, I wish I had a podcast to like talk about what happened. I could definitely see myself starting a podcast, but I really think getting up a website is like my top priority right now. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys have any podcast recommendations. The last time we went to this restaurant, I was so full afterwards. It really sucks because the food is so good, and the last time we were there, we like had to take stuff home. I'm going to try to not overdo it this time because When we went, we actually didn't even get dessert, and I love dessert, but I was like that full. I feel like I'm just doing my everyday makeup and I want to switch it up because it's date night. I'm gonna do a little smoky eye. I don't love to wear a ton of makeup, but we're gonna play around with it and see what happens. Oh my gosh, the poke bowl was so good, like so good. I'm really sad though, I went to a location that I don't really ever go to, and they accept like your student ID for a discount. I was like, oh, I have my student ID for like a student discount, and then I gave him my punch card because I go so often. You get like a punch every time you go, and then like the 10th visit you get a free bowl. And he's like, we can't punch that. And I'm sitting here like, I'm 2 away from a free bowl. Are you kidding me? They punch it every time. I'm like, what do you mean? He's like, if you get the discount, we can't punch it. But I'm like, they've literally done it at every other location. So I said that, I'm like, they have done it every other time. Like, I've always used my student ID. He said he made an exception for me, but I'm like, they've done it every time. I have not decided what I'm gonna wear yet. I hate that it's winter and I can't wear like a cute romper because it's like 20 degrees out. If you guys know me, you know that my eyelashes take forever to curl. Like, I have literally been pumping my eyelashes for the past 5 minutes. I have extremely straight eyelashes, so it takes a lot to get them to stick up and stay up. My all-time favorite mascara is the Cannonball by Urban Decay. It's a waterproof mascara, which is the only thing I can use. So they put it on sale for like $10, and I bought 5 of them. And I know that'll last me a while, but I'm nervous because, like, are they discontinuing it again? I don't know. I don't like necessarily use it for the waterproof purposes. Like, let me tell you, I've shed some tears and cried in this mascara, and my eyelashes just fall. By the way, guys, I am so close to 10K, and I can't even believe that. The thing that's crazy is I put that I wanted to reach 10K on my vision board for this year. If you guys haven't seen that video, definitely check it out. But I said that I wanted to reach 10K, and now we're only like less than 1,000 away. I will be doing a giveaway once I hit 10K. Keep an eye out for that and tell your friends to subscribe. I really do think my vision board has helped me a lot already. Like, we're only 2 months in. I've been sticking to like what I want to do and like what I want for my life, and this is such a crucial year for me because I am graduating. I'm obviously really excited to graduate, but I do have those nerves. It kind of sucks though because one of my professors right now kind of just discourages me and makes me want to just rush the semester. I spend a lot of time on like his assignments, and still like the grade never shows up, and then I do end up redoing the assignments and getting a good grade, but it's just taking a lot of time out of my week. And honestly, it's a lot of unnecessary time because I'm pretty proud of the work that I submitted the first time. So it's kind of just messing with like my mindset and making me want to rush through the semester, which is kind of like what I've been doing my entire college journey, counting down the weeks till the end of the semester. But right now it's weird because this is my last semester, so me like mentally counting down is not really a positive or negative thing. It's honestly just a scary thing because obviously I do want to enjoy this semester. Not to mention that like my last day is April 30th. I feel like it's gonna be coming so quick. And my, oh my, am I white. It's funny because I look like so much lighter on the camera than I do in real life. I'm like scared I'm gonna overdo it just because I can see my camera. Honestly, I feel like that's good enough for my makeup. We are leaving in a couple hours, so I'm probably gonna do some touch-ups later, but for now I'm gonna let my hair air dry for a little bit longer and then blow dry it. While I'm waiting for that, I'm actually gonna start working on my website. Here's the time that I need it. Okay, so basically, I let my hair, I really need my roots done. Okay, so basically I spent about an hour just letting my hair air dry, and then I blew dry. Is that how you say that? I blew dry? I don't really know, whatever. I dried out my hair and I am aware that I need my roots done really bad. I am going to be filming, I believe, the next time that I get my hair done, which I'm really excited about. I am obsessed with this curling iron. This is the Beach Waver in the size S125. Oh my gosh, this thing is my favorite curling iron, and I have gone through like 8 or 9 curling irons. Some of you may have seen my curly girl, or like how I discovered that my hair was wavy video. At this point, we're just disregarding that video because there is stuff going on with Diva Curl. I have stopped using their products, so I haven't been doing the curly girl routine lately. I start with the back and kind of just wrap it around. Some pieces I wrap around, and then other pieces I'll show you. You can use this feature on this curling iron. So basically you put the end in and then you press the button and it curls it for you. I don't use this all the time, but on some pieces I will. Okay, that took about like 15 minutes. Once I am done curling my hair, I just take this wide tooth comb and just brush it through just to loosen up the curls. It honestly just makes them look a little bit more soft. Now we're on to the hard part, because I have less than an hour to figure out an outfit, and to me that is not a lot of time. All right, here we go, trying to look for something to wear. Okay, so that was honestly awful. So I have to dress up, and I feel like I'm going to my internship. I honestly prefer wearing sundresses and cute summer clothes, so I don't belong in the winter weather. My room is absolutely a disaster after trying to figure out what to wear. I'm wearing this top that I got from Century 21 in New York City. I like it. It just took me forever to iron, and I didn't even do that good of a job. I really like the sleeves though. I feel like that's really cute. And then I'm just wearing these are dress pants, but they're kind of like leggings. They really stick to my leg, and those are from Guess. And then I'm wearing just some black booties. And of course I have my Louis on me. I'm at that point where I'm just really hungry and just ready to go. All right guys, we are on our way to dinner. Patrick, say hi. Hi. We are so excited. I am so hungry. I am very much looking forward to getting a bottle of wine or drink, whatever we decide to do. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. I know it was kind of like a weird mix in between a vlog and a get ready with me. Please follow my Instagram if you haven't already. That is @SimplyTaylorB. I also have a fitness account, and that is @SimplyFitTaylorB. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. We are going to enjoy our dinner. I upload videos every week, so again, don't forget to subscribe, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye!